right, welcome back to our channel. It's been a while since we had our last video, and right now I would like to check how are you doing, guys. We hope that you guys are doing well. And for this video, we'll be unboxing actually our new Aeropress. So let's start our unboxing. So we received this package. It's as you can see, it's still sealed and naka-tape pa siya. So it came with a box and it's not yet open. So what do we have here? So in the box, you could see the label, the image of our Aeropress. It says 1 to 3 cups, and it also have um, the Aeropress, how do we do it, better coffee press, and the 4 types of coffee, the espresso style, the American coffee, the latte one, the cold brew, and 3 easy steps. These steps to delicious coffee, it says. All right, and it's made in the US of A. So yeah, what are we waiting for? So let's open this one. So come on, guys, help me and be with me, bear with me until we finally unbox this. So right now, let's open. I'm now removing the tape. Oh, it's just a box. So it's finally removed. And what's inside the box? Okay. So what do we have here? We have here. It seems it's a kind of manual with several or a few languages on it. Has I think Japanese characters and maybe Spanish, and of course we also have the English one. And what else? We have here a a scoop, and I think this is a stirrer with an Aero press engraving on it. And oh, we have here our Aeropress. So quick start guide. Scan before you brew. Oh, there's a QR code here. So we'll try to scan it and let's check where it will lead us or to what side. Hmm. So I think this is the plunger. So let's take it out. So this is the plunger, and this is the I think this is the container of our Aeropress, and it has numbers on it, 1 to 4. What else? It came with a free filter. So this is not a reusable one. The reusable filter, we haven't received it yet, but it came with this one and this one. What is this? It's the filter cup. So filter cup in here and the plunger in here. Oh, I'm very excited to use this Aeropress. So how about you guys? Have you already have one? I already have how many manual coffee uh, brewing kit. So I have a drapers, a French press. I also have a maca pot and the tea bag one, and plus this. So I'm very excited to use this and been uh, following for about the quite now the Aeropress community, and I'm very excited to test this inverted method wherein you'll put your ground coffee here, then you'll use this uh, to mix it back and forth. You put the filter here in the filter cup, and you make sure that this is locked, and that's the time you put it into your coffee cup or mug, and we'll press it with pressure. All right, so I think it's pretty much what inside the box. It includes again the manual, the Aeropress itself, the free filter, the filter cup, the plunger, this one, a stir, and our scoop. So thank you for watching, guys, and please wait for our next video. On our next video, we'll be testing and brewing a coffee using this Aeropress. Thanks again for watching.